Hello, it's Martinez from Cherry Team, and today I'll be showing you how to create an app-specific password from your Google, iCloud, and Outlook account. Let's begin. Go to Google and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Click Manage your Google account. Now click on Security at the left sidebar. Scroll to the How you sign in to Google section and click on Two-Step Verification. When the two-step verification window will appear on the screen, click Get Started. Enter your Gmail account password and click Next. In the next window, make sure that Text Message is selected, then enter your phone number and click Next. A code will be sent to your phone to confirm that it works. Enter the code in the opened window and click Next. Now click Turn On. Two-step verification has been enabled, and now you can easily create an app password to log into third-party apps. To create the app password, after enabling two-step verification, scroll down to the How you sign in to Google section again and click on Two-step Verification once again. Now, scroll down to the bottom and click on App Passwords. Select the app, device, or custom name for which you want to generate an app password and click on Generate. The app password will be created. You should copy it to a safe place since you cannot view it again. After you've finished, click Done. Now let's continue with iCloud. Go to apple.com, hover over to Support, then click Apple ID and Password. Now click Visit Your Account page. In your account page, click on App-Specific Passwords. The App-Specific Passwords window will appear on the screen. Click Generate an App-Specific Password. In the next window, enter the name of the app or device for which you want to generate an app password and click Create. Next, enter your Apple ID password and click Continue. The app password will be created. You should copy it to a safe place since you cannot view it again, and once you've finished, click Done. Now for Outlook. Go to Microsoft.com and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Click My Microsoft Account. Now click on Security at the top bar. Then click on Two-Step Verification. In this page, in the Additional Security section, click on Two-Step Verification once again. The Two-Step Verification page will open. Click Next. In the next page, choose to verify your identity using your phone number and enter it. Then click Next. A code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code in the field and click Next. Then click Next again and then Finish. Two-step verification has been enabled, and now you can easily create an app password to log into third-party apps. To create the app password, after enabling two-step verification, scroll down to the App Password section and click on Create a New Password. This will immediately generate an app password for you, and you should copy it to a safe place since you cannot view it again. After you've finished, click Done. This concludes how to generate an app password for Google, iCloud, and Outlook. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like and share to see more Cherry Team uploads. Thank you for watching.